Yes, Shalu, tell me what's
Hey,
up.
good morning. Very nice. Very happy.
How's your sister doing?
She's
Chal raha hai?
doing great. Yeah, she's very happy. She has no time to think.
Very good. रोज कर रही है magic diligently?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, she's saying she's getting up with positivity, sleeping with a stone with positivity. बोलती दीदी पहले तो उठ के सिर्फ रोना आता था, बट अभी अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा अच्छा सब कुछ दिखता है.
वही तो उसका बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ही नहीं, उसको लगा था इतना बड़ा चीज है उसकी लाइफ में, but it's actually nothing.
Yeah.
So I'm so glad.
I was asking, like, I'm doing juice diet मतलब 2 days, once in a month. So can I do this liver detox also?
You should do it.
Okay.
जो तुम जूस डाइट कर रही हो, your body has getting all the nutrients, all the vitamins, सब कुछ मिल रहा है. खाना तो मिल ही रहा है, पानी के फॉर्म में मिल रहा है. लिवर डिटॉक्स इज क्लेंजिंग, अंदर से उसको लैक्सेटिव की तरह डाल के सब बाहर कचरा निकल जाएगा.
Okay.
So schedule it. I'm going to send the calendar also. But महीना में 2 बार तो करना है. First एक बार कर लो, first weekend पे, third weekend पे, whenever you plan. 3 वीक का गैप ले लो.
तो जैसे कल और परसों आई प्लान्ड माय जूस डाइट, तो फिर मैं नेक्स्ट वीक करूँ ना
तो
लिवर
जूस डाइट
डिटॉक्स?
करने की जगह लिवर डिटॉक्स कर लो, और कहीं जा नहीं रही हो रात को तो.
ओके,
कल
ठीक है.
लंच के बाद टेक अ ब्रेक एंड देन सी व्हेन डू यू स्लीप, कब करना चाहती हो. बिकॉज इसमें क्या है, यू टू स्लीप इन टाइम. 10 बजे लेटना है, उसके बाद फिर सोना है. ये नहीं कि उठ के बाद मूवमेंट करना है. Body needs rest for that Epsom salt and that water to process in the body. The olive oil.
ओके.
तो इसमें बस रेस्ट का ज्यादा है. 15 दिन का रेस्ट समझ लो, आपका 6 बजे शुरू होगा, नेक्स्ट डे 11-12 बजे फ्री हो जाओगे. उतना तुम्हें घर पे रहना है, रेस्टिंग.
तो फिर संडे को ही प्लान करना होगा,
देख
क्योंकि आई
लो
गो
मैंने.
टू ऑफिस. या नेक्स्ट संडे आई विल प्लान दैट
मैंने
वे. आई एम लूजिंग ग्रेट इंचेस. इंचेस एकदम धड़ धड़ कम हो रहा है. अच्छा दिख रहा है, पर वेट स्टक है. वेट जो अटका है वो अटका है.
इट्स ओके, उसको भी हटा दो ना दिमाग से. स्टॉप, सरेंडर कर दो ना कि वेट विल ऑटोमेटिकली लीव. इंचेस तो जा ही रहे हैं, राइट? जस्ट से माय इंचेस एंड माय वेट इज गोइंग सो फास्ट.
तो आई विल मूव द स्केल फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस ओनली. वो उठ के आदत हो गया ना उस पे चढ़ने का.
हाँ,
तो
तो हटा लो एक बार को. अगर तुम्हें वो लग रहा है दैट्स अ ब्लॉकेज फॉर यू, रिमूव इट फॉर अ व्हाइल.
okay.
Yes, Ruchi, what do you want to share?
I started Tanuj sir thing. He has given 21-day challenge, so I'm very happy because I've lost 1.5 kgs in 5 days.
How beautiful, amazing.
Yes.
And simple चीज है जो हम लोग का पढ़ रहे हैं, उसी को इंटरट्वाइन किया है उसमें. And
So
it's,
yeah, I was having potato juice initially. It's been like 2 years around. So initially, I'm having potato juice. So what Luke has said, I'm almost following everything, almost till now.
it's just that we have to detox our body also to become spiritually more aware. अगर हमें abundance लानी है in finances, in our growth, spiritually, emotionally, so body has to be supportive. Body में बहुत toxins रहेंगे तो हम conducive नहीं रह पाएंगे for meditation or anything. That's why we're just training ourselves. Okay, great.
And for dreams, I have broken them in steps and goals, so I can see the difference because it's just been 2 years. I've started a new business with my husband, so the dreams we have taken it together, so we can see the difference now where we were 2 years back, now where we are right now in this 1 month journey. A lot have changed for us.
Very nice.
We are growing more and more.
Simple steps हैं, but if you break them down and you actually analyze them, वो results आते हैं, for sure आते हैं.
My kids are very happy because I used to get very angry. So it's lesson now. They're very happy when I meditate. And when they don't see me meditate, they're like, don't you have to meditate, Mama? I'm like, yes, I have to. So they don't disturb me that time.
तुम क्रिया मेडिटेशन कर रही हो क्या कुछ और कर रही हो?
No, you have not sent me Kriya meditation. The love and light meditation which you had sent
Kriya
me.
meditation थोड़ा advanced है, अभी हम ready नहीं है.
Yes, I will not do it because that day you told you need a lot of like 1 hour plus you need give time. So I'll not be doing it right
So
now.
plus it's little advanced. अभी
And
हम
love
try
and light
it.
meditation, how long do we need to do that?
It's for life.
Oh, okay.
But अभी let's go step by step. अभी I want to introduce you to the book of Unified. अगले Sunday से शुरू होगा. पहले step by step करते हैं. 6 महीना वो book करो. Meet your higher self. Get related. Gradually let's go. जल्दी किस बात के लिए? Long life to live, right?
Yes, yes.
Let's make it meaningful. So let's go very slowly. But yes, the book of Unified is very, very beautiful. This course is beautiful. That's something all of us must do. And we will do that. Just that I wanted to understand from everyone, is 7 o'clock a good time? Or would people prefer a little later? Because just that it's an intense thing. Reading is light, but meditation be here. So thoda sa we needed that 40 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes every Sunday. Hi, Nitin. Can't hear you. You have to unmute yourself.
Good morning. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Good, good.
So are you both joining for a unified journey? Morning में
Uh,
आएगा?
अभी मैंने honestly सोचा नहीं, but मैं कर लूँगा. 99% I'm game for that. When are we starting? I missed out somewhere actually.
No, that's fine. I'm going to send the flyer today, next Sunday, 24th,
And what is the time?
7 o'clock.
I think I'm game. And we spend 1 hour together.
Less than that.
Oh, perfect.
About 10
Wonderful. I can do that.
reading, about 10 minutes of understanding, and about 20 minutes of meditation. I think that should be more than enough.
I would love it. Wherever I'm missing, I'll at least be on track. I'm so thankful to you.
No, thankful to Roger Lanphier and the Mahavtar Babaji for making that book. It's beautiful. It's a channel book. So any channel book will bring us closer to reality.
Wonderful. Yeah, I'll be so happy actually.
I'm glad. And we will anyways have the YouTube sessions. कभी 7 बजे नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. So we can
नहीं,
schedule.
YouTube नहीं चाहिए, यही चाहिए, live ही चाहिए.
I also believe in the live energy, 100%.
So that is a different connect. So I think that we were good with that. And how long is the session? As in, how many
6
days do we
months.
spend?
So basically Sunday we'll meet and every day we're supposed to do it on our own, which is not very
Okay.
tough. Just supposed to be aware of it. And it takes
Okay.
about 6 to 7 months.
Okay,
That's
wonderful.
the ultimate union with your higher self. You
I
can't
think
do it better.
that is very nice. We'll be all aligned. We'll meet up and we'll probably take it forward where we end that day.
Yeah.
Perfect.
For me, this is a finale journey, and you can
Okay.
meet yourself and you're on your good on your own.
Okay. So very nice. I'm in for it. In the meanwhile, I also did that inner engineering of Sadhguru.
Oh, how was it?
Very nice, and a lot of things. And I would say that we can relate to so many things now.
Mm.
So that was nice. You find time, please download that app. That's very nice. It's something very interesting. Then they have one more course of 40-day hand holding. So once you're done with your inner engineering, you can, if you have time, you can take it forward. So now since we've learned the basic meditation and the basic connect, the language is the same, things are the same, but the inner engineering is interesting, and they give you some very interesting guided meditations also, which is really nice.
Yeah.
So
So I'm trying to do inner engineering in Hindi in the evening batch, but abhi haven't been able to align myself to start it. So once I start, I'm going to start with inner engineering.
do
So
that.
it's a book in Hindi as well by
Achha.
Sadhguru.
Very nice.
It's a beautiful course.
Yeah. So very nice, and they are very good, supportive. That if you've not learned something or you're not able to concentrate, they guide you very well. Now I've even registered myself. There's another step to it. I think it is Sambhavi Kriya. That's a session for 3 days in December. Then I'll be doing that also.
Very nice. I'm glad that you've begun your journey and you're continuing on the path. That's most important.
Yeah, absolutely.
The idea in these one-to-one days is we get to the basics and we take it up. We take it up continuously.
Yeah, it's very nice. And again, it's like every day. At one day, you will be connected so well. Second day, you have something in your mind. You feel, "Aaj itna acha nahi tha." फिर again you're doing even better. So the journey is very beautiful actually. And if you miss it, the days like आज मेरी दिन में कुछ missing है, मैंने आज कुछ किया नहीं है, जैसे you've not had your food or something is missing. It's like food to you. So I'm rather I was very busy last 2 days. अभी मैं बैठ के भी कह रहा था after this I'll write down my gratitudes. I missed out. नहीं तो हम normally do it in the morning only. वो कभी कभी वो हो जाता है, लेट हो जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है, नहीं तो otherwise सारा दिन शुरू हो गया then you can't do it.
Yeah. And plus the first 3 hours we must keep in mind. The first 3 hours में तो लिख लो. If not the first 30 minutes, at least the 3 hours. Next step.
बस तभी होता है, otherwise नहीं हो पाता.
चाहे वो scribble कर लो. It doesn't have to be very refined writing, but you have to write it.
So I was just thinking I'll speak to you also that I've made a vision board on my laptop, and normally whatever these recorded manifestations, I've started looking at these photographs and doing like that. I really feel more connected other than recorded ones.
Good.
So बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है वो.
Do that. That.
Probably my sentences would change in the morning for one thing or the other. Maybe I'm saying that I'm proud owner of so and so. Maybe another. So I'm thankful for being an owner. Maybe my words change a little, but the meaning remains the same.
Yeah.
So I feel that's a better way to do it.
Fair enough. जो comfortable लगे. If you want to see it in your mind and feel the fruition, or you want to see it in physical, whatever you like.
So बस वही है, connected जैसे रहते हैं, बोलते हैं, करते हैं, वो बहुत अच्छा रहता है.
Very nice. Excellent. I'm so proud of you and so grateful that you are continuing the journey. You haven't like lost track of it.
No, I'll never lose it throughout my life. It's a promise. Thank you so much for putting us in this journey.
I'm so glad, Nitin.
I'm really enjoying it. Seriously.
How wonderful.
Yeah.
Super. Amazing. So I don't know.
I want to share something.
Yeah, Shalu.
My husband knows, like, मैंने उनको ढंग से नहीं बताया because he vaguely understands उसको. पर तुम आजकल क्या करती हो? मैं क्या हो गया? बोलते भर के ऑर्डर्स आ रहा है, हम उतना प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पा रहे. मैं कुछ नहीं, हम मेडिटेट करते हैं और तो कुछ नहीं करते. बोलते यार मेरे को प्लानिंग करना पड़ा, हम प्रोडक्शन कैसे बढ़ाएं, इतने ऑर्डर्स हैं. एंड पहले वो परेशान था कि ऑर्डर्स लाओ. अब ऑर्डर्स इतने आ गए हैं कि लग रहा है कि बस प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाना है. तो हम बोले बाय एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर ना आप देखना आपका प्रोडक्शन भी डबल हो जाएगा, आपका सेल भी डबल हो जाएगा.
How wonderful. I'm happy to.
I made him meditate. बोलते हैं मेरे को सिखाओ, मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रेस है. So I played your divine love meditation. अब मेडिटेट करो. He kept on yawning.
Even that's important. You know that?
Yeah.
Because sometimes the body needs healing. So you yawn and you go into sleep. Even that's good. Subconsciously चल रहा है. Even that's good.
Yeah. And कल रात को भी also he was very stressed. तो बोलते यार तुम्हारा वो meditation वाला link भेजो मेरे को. And मतलब आपका voice भी ना सुनते हुए अरे ये मैंने सुना है, मैं लास्ट टाइम इसी पे मैंने आपको मेडिटेट करा. एंड ही स्लेप्ट. मतलब ठीक मेडिटेशन खत्म हुआ आपका एंड खर्राटे की आवाज आ रही थी. आई हैड टू स्टॉप द फोन कि सो गया. एकदम गजब की हीलिंग हो गई है.
Good.
I'm feeling very good. Very good.
I'm glad you're introducing your learnings with your children and your husband, because you know what happens when we transform, everyone around us goes through transformation. So I saw this in Udaipur and in Rishikesh that, the students must have been 1, 2, how many ever, their husbands, their wives, their children, they felt the transformation. That is important. Khud sikh rahe hain, but we're sharing the learnings with our families as well. So I'm glad.
Actually, what's the age to join this course? My daughter, she's 11 years old and she's back of my life to join this. So I'm like, not now. I need to ask her.
Anybody who has a hunger for spirituality and making the life abundant is ready. So we can't define which age. The youngest student I'm working with is 6 years old.
Okay, she's 11 and she's right. I have 2 daughters. So one is 8, one is 11. So seeing me writing gratitude, they started writing gratitude with me.
Good.
And affirmations, my elder one is writing because she's a student. So she has searched online and she's written affirmations. She's writing. It's been 7 days.
Okay.
And I can see the change. The teachers are calling me up and they're saying, yeah, she is doing better than before.
Ruchi, if they have time and you have time, the magic sessions for children are online.
Yes.
Just fix 1 hour in the evening or any time and we'll play kar do YouTube pe every day one day. उसमें explanation भी है बच्चों के लिए. and let them start from there. उसमें manifestation भी है.
ठीक है.
वो course अपने आप करवा लो बच्चों के साथ. It will take about 30 days. Just do it.
Okay.
So that will help the girls and maybe your hubby as well if he is inclined for it.
Yes, he is getting. Seeing me, he is.
So just simply start with manifestation and magic, and then we'll see. Utna bahut hai. Not, and if your daughter is inclined towards spirituality, we'll just have her. The only thing is morning 5 to 6:30. Does the bacha really want to wake up? Some children are ready.
She is. She's like, if you wake me up, I will. If you wake me up 4 o'clock, I will wake up with you.
So in that case, usko join karwa do na साथ में. There's no need to pay for her. Let her just come and sit with you.
Okay.
अगर उसका मन लग रहा है तो contribute करना हो तो 1210 कर देना, नहीं करना हो मत करना.
Okay, I'll ask her. I'll confirm with her today. Because she told me, she's asking me every day, did you ask Prachi ma'am? I'm like, no, I have not asked. I'll ask and I'll revert back to you.
Anyways,
Like,
tomorrow or Tuesday, we'll start tapping into wealth. It's
yeah.
a very beautiful technique. अभी से इसको मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि wealth is energy, बड़े आराम से मिलती है. So imagine how she'll reach in life. And we also start mirror work, which is beautiful for children.
Yeah, she requires it a lot.
Everyone requires it, not she. I also require it.
I also require it, but
Everyone
yes,
requires
I feel so, yes.
So we will, and we have such beautiful books coming. I'm letting go, creative visualization.
Yeah, I'm waiting for
books
that
are
book
coming
to come over. Yes.
So she will enjoy it. Invite her. Lekin magic simultaneously shuru kar lo for your family. If not family, at least the girls. The sooner you introduce them to this world, the faster they will elevate in their journey.
So because she's so dedicated towards it, yesterday we were a bit late, like we slept around 10:30. So again, I just checked on her and it was 11:45 and she was up. I'm like, what are you doing? Mama, I forgot to write my affirmation. So I need to finish that off. I'm like, okay, finish it off and then go off to sleep.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm very, very happy to hear that. So we manifestation, आज Sunday ना शुरू करवा लो with your hubby also. Start that. So there will be something called manifestation for young students or something. I'll just see the link. एक बार देख लो. मैंने बच्चों के लिए
In the YouTube itself.
Channel पे.
Bond 1-to-1.
हाँ.
Okay.
उसमें playlist में मिल जाएगा तुम्हें.
Okay.
Prachi, my Chutku is 4 years and he has a magic rock. And वो उसको लेके ही सोता है. मम्मा क्या बोले? मतलब आप भगवान जी को थैंक यू बोल दो. वो अपना भी रखता है, मेरे को भी देगा. He's kept 2-3 stones ऊपर नीचे जहाँ भी सोता है वो अपना एक stone लेके सोता है हाथ में.
Cute. How adorable. God bless him. At 4, if he started his journey, how wonderful.
But my बड़ा वाला, he's done your magic session. थोड़ा दिन inclined था, धीरे बेटा gratitude लिखो, मम्मा थोड़ी देर में लिखते हैं. Magic stone अच्छा लेके सोएंगे. फिर वो he forgets.
It's okay. Understand and put him in your affirmations. That both my sons are into gratitude and manifestation. Basically, they are evolving human beings. Just be grateful in advance. That's what I said, intentional gratitude. जो मैं करना है उसके बारे में पहले से advance में gratitude दे दो. I'm sure it'll work. I know he was with me in the बच्चों का magic session.
He only made me join you. आप क्या लिखते हो ये वो आप ना प्राची मैम को ज्वाइन करो. आप प्राची मैम, he saved your number and everything.
So cute. Take care. Good.
Are you planning to do it again for kids?
Ruchi, I'm a little busy with life right now, so I'm not sure what's going to unfold. Even I'm not able to start my evening sessions also. Even that's a vacuum. But whenever it's meant to be, I don't know. I don't plan so much. So, I mean, most of my life is planned, but a lot of things I just leave on, ki dekha jayega. Yes, Meenakshi, what's up with you? One of the most committed students, huh?
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. Hi.
Morning.
How are you?
Very well. You tell me.
I was just booking my tickets, like after I, talked to you about it. Yeah. So
if you have to volunteer for inner engineering, you must. You've benefited from it, and it's time for you to do the seva. Please go ahead and do it.
yeah, okay. Thank you so much.
Let this not be a roadblock. And of course, the timings there are long, but you do get breaks in that because I have volunteered for Vipassana as well. So you don't
अच्छा,
get some gaps. So I think you can cover your course there also. Also recording ले लो. At the most क्या होगा? आज का session आप कल कर रहे होगे. That's okay. But don't stop your journey of sales.
I'm very excited, you know, about it.
No, it is amazing.
Very excited. Yeah.
And living there on campus, it will be different energy.
Yeah, I think in breaks, you know, like जैसे वहाँ पे काम, I think like जैसे breaks भी देते हैं वो बीच बीच में. So I will try to, you know, see my sessions, you know, like during those breaks.
Yeah, do that.
I will try to do that. Yeah.
You will be able to do it. It's not a big deal. At the
Okay.
most क्या होता है? ये 1.5 hour का flow नहीं आएगा. You break it into portions. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Something is better than nothing. And you anyways have the sessions to cover up if you want. Flight में download कर लो YouTube पे and listen to
Yeah.
it on the mobile or
Yeah,
the
sure.
Mac or something. It's not a big deal.
Yeah. Yes, yes, I'll do that.
And books से
Thank you
जाने की
so
जरूरत नहीं. Like when I went to Bangalore, I took my physical copies, but you can always
Okay.
say you already anyways have them on, you know, the soft copies. So it's okay. Session में तो पढ़ते ही हैं साथ में, so you have them on stream.
Yeah. Me, I have all the books, you know, I have ordered, you know, like साथ में ही ना, I'll show you this one, you know, this one. Yeah, the magic weight loss. So I try to do, you know, in advance, जैसे जो आपने like कल पढ़ाना है, तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं आज ही थोड़ा सा पढ़ लूँ, like, you know, just to have more
That no wonder I
clarity.
called you one of the best students because you always prepared for the session. Like I do it impromptu, but you're prepared. How wonderful!
No, it's not that, you know, just to make, you know, like better clearance, you know, so I just try to do that.
Good.
आज मैंने वो भी मंगवा ली थी मैजिक मिरर, you know, I think वो भी आ जाएगी आज.
We'll start that now, and I think you know. So these books are almost getting over. The Simple Steps to Impossible Dreams. I hope आपने उसको further break करा है, because that book is one of the most powerful books in series 3.
Okay.
So please implement that book. Don't just read the book and understand with us. Implement the book.
Yeah.
So be dreams हैं, feel tough. Please follow the analogy exactly as what we've learned. We're almost getting over with the book. Another week we should be complete with the book, maximum.
Okay.
उसको जरूर अपने life में implement कर. Any book, you know, that we're learning, if we implement that learnings for life, or at least for that bit, we're going to be winners. Confidence आ जाएगा ना कि I can do it. उसके बाद life everything.
Yeah, मुझे ऐसे लगता है जैसे मेरे like वो स्कूल डेज जो है ना वो लाइक वापस आ गया, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. ऐसे ही लगता है लाइक जैसे वही वाला लाइक मतलब वो आ गया है टाइम फेज, यू नो, जैसे हम लोग मतलब लिखते थे बहुत ज्यादा, अब तो लाइक छूट गई थी प्रैक्टिस लिखने की, पर अब फिर से हो गई है प्रैक्टिस. सो आई लव राइटिंग आल्सो,
We
यू
should
नो.
always be students in our life. Always keep learning. Every day कुछ ना कुछ तो होना चाहिए जो हमने आज नया सीखा, which wasn't there yesterday.
Yes,
That's what I love about
exactly.
the morning sessions. These books I've read, but I feel like I've never read them. I feel it's the first time I'm reading them when I read with you all. कुछ नया मिलता है हमेशा ही.
Yeah. Every day, I think, you know, and I think from like each and every book, you know, like we're learning like something new. Yeah. It's really great.
I'm so glad.
और मेरा weight loss हो गया है 3 kgs, you know, जब से मैंने start किया था तब से.
Very nice.
I was trying to do it, you know, since I think 4-5 years, पर मैंने like बहुत कुछ किया पर नहीं होता था, पर I think पर अब 1-1.5 महीने में हो गया, you know, like 3 kilos. So I'm very excited and very happy.
35 days and 3 kilos. I'm proud of you.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's what Shalu was sharing कि बहुत इंच ऐसे फटफट निकल रहा है. That's because all of you are vibrating in a very high frequency. Your energy levels
and
are
भूख भी नहीं लगती है. अब मैंने like ये भी फील किया, like जैसे पहले होता था ना, like जैसे अच्छा ये खाना है वो खाना है, cravings होती थी पहले, like अब नहीं होती. अब सामने भी पड़ा होता है खाना तो मन नहीं करता खाने का ना.
That's because your vibration is high, no? You're so complete with yourself and you're flowing in love. There's no need for why do we eat food? Because we feel something is missing in us.
Yeah,
exactly. We're thirsty, but we're eating because we think we're hungry, but actually we're thirsty. So gradually we're listening to our bodies. हम सुनने भी शुरू कर दिए अपने body की language. So the results are faster. So more power to you, Meenakshi.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're giving so much by going to.
All thanks to you.
I'm a channel.
And I thank Seema like every day, like Seema is the one जिसने मुझे like introduce किया था.
Yeah.
And I thank her like each and every day.
I hope all of us can be the channels of blessings. That's all.
Yeah.
That's our duty in life, and I hope we all find that duty.
अच्छा, okay. And मैंने ना like जैसे और भी एक दो friends हैं मेरे, उनको बताया मैंने, and they also want to join, तो ये कब से start होगा हमारा new session?
Meenakshi, I was guided for this year 3 sessions, which I diligently am following. Next guidance, मेरी अभी मुझे कुछ है भी नहीं, and now that I've met my higher self, I want to be inclined, because I'll be a little frank. Here I'm giving more than I'm receiving, right? So my own journey and my own inner growth is a little compromised. It's 1.5 hour plus there's other things attached. So I'm not.
I can understand. It's too much. I know.
Yeah, so I'm not sure when I'm starting next one, because I do want to plan a couple of my spiritual trips. So Egypt is on cards, but when I go to Egypt, I can't take the sessions. And one-to-one.
If somebody asks me, okay. Yeah. If somebody asks me, what should I say?
Just say January. It will start sometime in January.
मैंने अपना तो बताया कि मेरा I think 14th of January तक है ना, like हमारा session.
हमारे 1-to-1 days 10 को खत्म हो रहा है.
Yeah, तो 14 Jan के बाद ही मैंने बोला है जिसने भी पूछा मुझसे.
I think 12th and to 25th I probably will be in Egypt, and then once I'm back we'll start.
Okay.
So I'll plan this in a couple of months.
So January end.
I have to just go, meet my higher self, take a guidance, and then see.
Okay.
Because when you go for spiritual trips, you can't be doing anything else. And when I go on a spiritual trip, I'm far away from my gadgets.
Okay.
So
thank you.
Anytime.
Okay, I'll tell them.
In fact, if they want, अगर वो ready लगते हैं आपको, so tell them to join the virtual batch.
Okay.
Gradually, they can cover up the virtual thing later, and अभी at least live में धीरे-धीरे आ जाएंगे. Let them at least do first 4, 5, 6, 7 days and just see. Anyway, 12 sessions are complimentary online, right?
Yeah.
इतना तो करें. अगर उनको लगता है कि हमें continue करना है, तो virtual and live का enrollment ले लेंगे. How does it matter?
Okay.
Because I am looking at this because a lot of people are hungry and ready for it, but they don't want to wait 3-4 months. So they recorded sessions. Take the virtual ones.
Okay, I'll tell them.
Yeah. At least the journey never stops. And if you're ready, you start. And it's hardly any money. 7121 hai. If you journal 7121 hai. So I think
money is not a problem, I guess.
You should tell them that to take with journals, because they are, they are energized. So I feel journals, first step ke journals chahiye hoti hai. Next step it's all right.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Why wait till January? Still, we have a long time away.
Okay. Thank you.
Anytime. All right. I think today is Sunday. People are not yet logging in. So good to have conversation with you all. But
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So shall we?
It's my working day, like Sunday is my working day.
Really? Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
Wednesday is my off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Great. So I think.
Thank you, Meenakshi.
Thanks, Nitin. Thanks, Meenakshi.
Thank
Ruchi,
you.
anything you want to share? Ask something? No, you're done. विजय जी आपने लॉगिन किया, कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हैं, शेयर करना चाह रहे हैं? You want to say something?
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I just want to understand the expectations of people keep growing. How do we meet the untold expectations?
Why do you want to hear of expectations? लोगों की अगर आपसे expectations हैं, आप अपने आप को उस एनर्जी से हैवी क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप वो करिए जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. लोग तो एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे, लोग तो बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, उनका तो काम है. अब अपने आप को हम लोग देख लेते हैं. हम भी तो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं अपने आप से भी, अगर किसी और से नहीं भी कर रहे अब 35 डेज के बाद, अपने आप से भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं ना.
Yes.
So we have to let this be into acceptance. जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है. For example, अगर आज मैं नहीं उठ पाया सेशन के लिए, तो rather than reprimanding मतलब अरे तुम सो गए, नहीं उठ पाए, it's okay. आज नहीं उठ पाया, बॉडी नहीं उठ पाई, it's okay. सेशन बाद में कर लूंगा, but हाँ, वो 1 घंटा सेशन निकालना, टाइम निकालना मुझे अपने लिए. तो हम लोग को एक्सेप्टेंस स्टेज में जब हम आएंगे ना, दूसरे को भी हम एक्सेप्ट कर पाएंगे कि अरे वो मुझे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है, बस एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं सिंपली।
Yes.
अरे वो एक्सेप्ट करे, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स फाइन। मैं तो उसको आई मीन आई एम ओके विद इट।
Thank you so much. I'm transforming my life very slowly.
Slowly is
I'm
good.
not able, yeah. And I must thank you from core of my heart.
I'm
And-
always here. We
yeah,
all stand
thank
for
you.
each other.
Yeah, and I will be starting reading books. Which
Okay.
one should I pick up the first book?
बेटर तो यही रहेगा जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं इन्हीं को साइमल्टेनियसली अपने आप पढ़ें।
Okay.
एंड ऑलवेज यूज अ हाइलाइटर पेन फॉर योर पर्सनल बुक्स। जो आपको अच्छा लगे हाईलाइट कर ले। उससे क्या होता है, जो आपने पढ़ा है उसको आप पढ़, आई मीन यू रेड इन द क्लास, खुद पढ़ रहे हैं तो वो इम्प्लीमेंट ज्यादा जल्दी होगा, rather than reading a lot of books। अभी 11 बुक्स का करिकुलम है, 11 कम तो नहीं होती। आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ अस आफ्टर स्कूल कॉलेज हमने 11 बुक्स 1 to 1 डेज में नहीं पढ़ी होंगी, 10 दिन में एक बुक पढ़ी जा रही है। आई डोंट थिंक हमने करा होगा।
एक साल में कर रहा हूँ।
या इन्हीं बुक्स को हम मास्टर कर लें तो इट विल बी वंडरफुल।
Thank
There are
you,
some
sir.
people who've joined the third batch also because वो बोलते हैं कि with you 30 books 35 books तो fix हो जाती है साल में, just because of that। So it's okay, just pick up one of the books। I would say simple steps pick up कर लीजिए। And anyways we're going to start a very beautiful book, Tapping into Wealth। So वो book बहुत powerful है because wealth
Which one you said? Which one you
Tapping
said?
into wealth.
yeah, Tapping into Wealth।
Okay.
It's a very beautiful book. It's by Margaret M. Lynch। It's a very, very beautiful book। We're going to start this because I truly believe that all of us have to be creators of wealth। You cannot live a life without money। And money ज़्यादा हो तो you can even give empower people। खुद ही खुश नहीं हो कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, तो फिर बाकी लोगों को कैसे हेल्प करोगे? पर खुद भरे हुए हो कि अरे I have all the money to buy whatever I want। How amazing।
Exactly.
So wealth is important, and that's why, and wealth generation is very, very easy। लोग को लगता है कि अरे मेरे पास ये स्किल नहीं है, मैं पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूँ, या मुझे ये नहीं आता, या इन्हें मेरे बाप दादा ने नहीं छोड़ा, and I'm not so privileged। But actually generation of wealth is super easy। So this book will teach us। So in my opinion dreams are very important, wealth is very important। They may be materialistic, but जब आपकी material goals से आप पूरे level पे हो जाओगे तब spirituality के लिए ready होगी। बोलना बड़ा आसान है कि त्याग दो मोह माया and go on। अरे you can't reach that level, you got to be practical। If I want my Merc or my BM, I can't compromise on my car। I want it, I want it, let me have it, why not? क्या हाम है? अच्छे you know, जो लोग गाड़ी अच्छे घर में या गाड़ी में बैठे हैं, when they talk about सेवा, समझ में आता है कि खुद भरे हुए तो सेवा कर सकते हैं। खुद ही नहीं है मेरे पास तो दूसरों को क्या सेवा करूंगी मैं? तो दैट्स व्हाई किसी भी एज में वेल्थ लेना इज वेरी इजी। मैं तो बोलती हूँ दिस बुक शुड बी डन, एक बार आप लोग कर लीजिए, फिर इंट्रोड्यूस द कॉन्सेप्ट्स टू योर चिल्ड्रन, योर फैमिली, योर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अभी से बच्चों को पता है कि भाई ड्रीम्स आर पॉसिबल, कुछ भी इज पॉसिबल। अभी तो हम लोग में जब बड़े हुए हैं तो हमने क्या सुना है कि नहीं नहीं थाली में देखकर खाना परोसो, चादर उतना फैलाओ जितना पहुंच सकते हो। वी बीन टोल्ड टू लिव वेरी कंजर्वेटिवली, ख्याली पुलाव मत बनाओ। एक्चुअली इट्स उल्टा, सब कुछ बनाओ भी खाओ भी। सो दैट्स व्हाई खिलाओ भी बिल्कुल। एंड मैं तभी बोलती हूँ मीनाक्षी, आई डोंट गिव मील्स टू पुअर पीपल एज सेवा एवर। एक टाइम पे अनाज दे रहे हो। आई एम मोर इनटू एजुकेशन। Going to schools, getting classrooms made, giving school bags, giving books for reading, library set up करवाना, swing set up करवाना, जहाँ कुछ tools मिल रहे हैं for life। Not just एक बार का खाना खिला दिया और जी बड़े खुश हो गए, मैंने बांट दिया खाना, लंगर खिला दिया। That's also important, but मेरा उसमें झुकाव कम है। I believe in empowering people।
आप ऐसे डिपेंडेंट बनाते हो लोगों को, like feed करके।
Yes। अब जो women होती है अंडर प्रिविलेज, उनको सिखाओ ना सिलाई बुनाई, teach for their training, give them a tool, give them a sewing machine, check on them कि वो कर रहे हैं कि नहीं। Now that's for me is empowerment। So we should all become so capable कि हमारा 1/10 इतना हो कि हम बोले जितना हम देंगे उतना हमें मिलेगा, और ऐसा ही होता है. मैंने अपने बिजनेस में देखा हुआ था, नॉट नाउ बट 20 years ago, जब मैंने वो आई बिकेम अ लिटिल ग्रीडी, कह रहे 1/10 तो बहुत ज्यादा है, इतना कहाँ कंट्रीब्यूट करूंगी, इट्स टू मच. मैंने गलती से 8% कर दिया. माय बिजनेस आल्सो वेंट डाउन बिकॉज आई बिकेम ग्रीडी. कम दोगे कम मिलेगा. जब मैं वापस 10% पे लाई, तब आई केम बैक टू माय नॉर्मल बिजनेस. सो वन मस्ट फिक्स दिस, कह रहे ये तो करना ही है मुझे. In the Vedic way, it's very, very important to do this. Unfortunately, अब इंडिया में वेदांत पढ़ाता कौन है? So this was a part of our culture. Vedanta is not Hinduism. Vedanta is a way of life. So that's why I strongly believe that 1/10 तो जाना ही चाहिए. And अभी 1/10 ज्यादा लग रहा है. Start with 1%, 2%. शुरू तो करें हम लोग देना. Anyways, आपने 1-to-1 days का जो journey join करी है, आप empower कर ही रहे हो. Your money is going to charity, apart from admin expenses. So anyways, you've begun the journey. Hi, Pratima ji. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a question, Prachi, regarding this, if you allow.
Yeah.
So जो दशवंत होता है वो हमारा entire income का होता है ना, saving का नहीं होता ना, entire income का 10% ना?
नहीं, आपकी saving का.
Okay,
आपने
saving
एक
का.
बिजनेस पे लगाया है, 10 लाख प्रॉफिट आया है, 10 लाख का 10%.
The profits, like
The
the
profit.
income which I'm earning every
Takeaways,
month.
yes, your takeaways.
Yeah,
Not your
Again-
gross, just like
I
you.
understand that. I understand that. I've been doing that from few months now.
So you
And
in
I'm
2 months you would have already analyzed.
absolutely,
Go
I have.
forward.
I have. So to be very honest, last month I did not do it for some reasons. Last month I missed it, and you know, again I have seen the change as well. I have come down as well.
होगा ही
So
होगा.
that's what, वो मैं देख लिया.
क्योंकि मेरे साथ हुआ था. I said कि 1 crore देना for charity too much हो गया, या कहाँ दूं? And this was 20 years ago. It was huge that time. And वो तुरंत business में impact आ गया, तुरंत.
So अभी मैंने उसको फिक्स करने के लिए एक छोटा सा काम किया है. Like I'm into I take care of stray dogs and all. So हम लोगों ने 1-2 लोगों ने मिलके एक जगह ले ली है जो कि हम it's not a NGO but yeah we are working like a NGO where we are keeping the dogs who cannot do by themselves, or the dogs who get hurt or something like that. So I'm contributing my part, some part in that.
मैं तो पता क्या किया था for this, ऑटोमेटिक एक अमाउंट फिक्स कर दिया था कि इतना तो जाएगा ही. एटलीस्ट मेरे दिमाग से हटे तो नहीं.
नहीं, अभी क्या है, अकाउंटेबिलिटी हो गई ना. अगर मेरे साथ 2-3 लोग हैं तो हमने एक अमाउंट फिक्स कर लिया कि एवरीबॉडी विल गिव दिस टू दिस एनजीओ.
हाँ, फिर वो हो जाता है.
तो वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी हो गई है. सो उससे मेरे को हेल्प हो रहा है.
वेरी नाइस, आई एम सो हैप्पी. एनी काइंड ऑफ सेवा या फॉर, बिकॉज हम ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए बात करते हैं, बट एनिमल बींग्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लांट बींग्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई लोग का मिशन होता है कि ग्रीनरी लानी है, तो दैट्स आल्सो ग्रेट. जो भी मिशन है एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, आइडिया है सेवा फॉर निस्वार्थ. एक स्वार्थ तो है ही एक्चुअली कि हम नहीं करेंगे तो अरे मेरा बिजनेस डाउन हो जाएगा इन अ वे. तो वो तो
नहीं,
है.
लेकिन मैंने ये फील किया है कि जब मैं स्पेशली सिर्फ डॉग्स के लिए करता हूँ ना, तो मुझे वो वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती, क्योंकि आई हैव बीन डूइंग फॉर डॉग्स बहुत पहले से, लाइक बचपन से. तो जब मैं उनके लिए करता हूँ ना कुछ, तो मुझे वो वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती कि मेरा इससे मेरा बिजनेस अप होगा या डाउन होगा. वो वाली फीलिंग नहीं
बहुत
आती.
ही अच्छा. इफ यू फाउंड दैट पर्पस, नथिंग लाइक इट.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. तो इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ उसी में, मतलब आई एम टेकिंग मैक्सिमम, मतलब पार्ट इन दैट, बिकॉज उसमें मेरे को वो वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती है, फायदे नुकसान वाली.
तनुज, आपका ईमेल मैंने आज पढ़ा, तो Q&A आप कभी भी कर लो, whenever you want. If I can join, I'll join you. कभी भी प्लान कर लो.
ठीक है. तो फिर विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट वीक.
Just announce on the group ना, people will join you any which ways, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है.
ठीक है, बिकॉज 1-2 लोगों का मेरे पास क्वेश्चंस आए थे रिगार्डिंग कि आप डाइट बता दीजिए कि क्या लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है. तो मैंने उनसे बात किया, तो बहुत सारे मिसकंसेप्शंस थे, तो आई थॉट ऑफ क्लियरिंग इट टू एवरीवन, सो इट विल बी गुड.
Perfect. Thank you for taking this up. Accountability, answerability भी हो जाती है जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं. It's good to intertwine. I'm not a part of it yet because I'm going through a little emotional up and down with my child. So
I understand that.
the day I'm ready for it, I'll do it.
No problems.
Tanuj, same here. I'm sorry I'd given my name, but abhi so much hectic and schedule खाने पीने का नहीं हो रहा है. So I said, if I'm committed, I'll be 100% committed.
मेरा भी वो
प्रतिमा जी थैंक यू सो मच कि आप पार्ट ले रहे हैं एटलीस्ट. बट देखिए मैंने मैसेज पे भी यही टाइप किया था. देखिए 21 डेज का जो चैलेंज है उसमें जितने भी हमारे चैलेंजेस लिखे हैं मैंने 10,000 स्टेप्स वॉक हो गया, बिफोर आफ्टर सनसेट ईटिंग, आफ्टर सनराइज ईटिंग, और बिफोर सनसेट के बाद 1 घंटे तक खाना आपको. तो बेसिकली जितने भी चीजें अगर आप इसमें से 1-2 भी करते हैं तो यू आर ऑन इट ऑलरेडी.
करेक्ट.
Okay. So my
जितना भी
food
आपसे
part
हो
is
पाता है
not,
ना, सॉरी गो अहेड प्लीज.
food part is erratic, you know, वो sunset से पहले नहीं, because I was very particular. पर अभी एक तो कलकत्ता में 4:30-5 बजे के बाद अंधेरा हो जाता है.
अंधेरा हो
5
जाता है.
तो खाना देने को बोलो तो they are, even the staff is, you know, they are out, you know, so
The early you can do it, the best is it will be.
I'll definitely.
After
One
sunset, if you are eating
Pratima
in
ji,
one,
Yeah, for
Yeah.
this there's so many verticals he's planned. So his
Right.
idea is कि अगर हमने 6 vertical में से 2 भी कर लिए, so at least हम उस tangent पे हैं.
Okay.
हमारी खुद की answerability है. That's for me also a message that you know, आप अगर एक vertical भी कर रहे हो तो उसको update तो कर लो कि एक तो किया मैंने. चाहे वो
अब सारे
gratitude
तो मैं भी नहीं कर
practice हो
पाता हूँ. अब सारे डेली बेसिस पे तो मैं भी नहीं कर पाता हूँ.
गया. Yeah.
अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 10,000 स्टेप्स वॉक लिखा है उसमें, तो अगर आप कोई और फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं उसकी बजाय, लाइक फॉर मी आई डू किक बॉक्सिंग एंड ऑल दैट, मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स, सो दैट इज इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी हेवी वर्कआउट. सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू 10,000 स्टेप्स. तो अगर आप 10,000 स्टेप्स की जगह कोई और वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं तो वो भी सही है. द आइडिया इज टू मूव योर बॉडी.
All those things I'm doing, the food part, you know, so that's why I thought कि if complete नहीं है तो I probably had that feeling, you know, till I'm complete on that.
प्रतिमा जी, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि आप स्टार्टिंग अगर आप ब्रेकफास्ट पार्ट कर पा रहे हैं कि आप सनराइज के बाद आपने 1 घंटा वेट करके खाया. देखिए उसमें तो लिखा है कि सनराइज के बाद खाना है, बट आप क्या कीजिए कि सनराइज के बाद आप 1 घंटा थोड़ा सा वेट करके एंड देन यू टेक योर फर्स्ट मील. अगर आप वो वाला पार्ट कर पा रहे हैं तो धीरे धीरे आपका बाद वाला भी हो जाएगा.
That is perfect, because not before 10 o'clock I have anything, because intermittent fasting का 14 hours 15 hours I do it religiously.
हाँ जी, देखिए इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग जो है ये हमारे कंट्री में बहुत पहले से थी. इट्स जस्ट दैट वो वेस्टर्न नाम उसको जब से मिला ना इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग, तब से सब लोग करने लगे. अदरवाइज हमारी कंट्री में इट्स बिन बहुत पहले से.
Right. And I being a Jain, you know, we to follow this very
That's
religiously.
wonderful.
Breakfast का मेरा, because fruits होता है तो I tend to have it late. Yes, only that chal kumda का that juice I have, but after that I don't have anything.
फास्टिंग अगर आप कर पा रहे हैं तो वो बहुत सही है. जूस क्या कह रहे थे आप? सॉरी, कैन यू कम अगेन?
उसको what is that कुमड़ा का जूस होता है ना?
Is that a vegetable?
Kumra is that ashgard.
Oh, ashgard. Okay.
Yeah, right. हाँ.
देखिए अगर आप फास्टिंग करते हैं ना तो लूक की बुक में भी यही लिखा है, लाइक अगर आप फास्टिंग कर रहे हैं ना, डोंट हैव एनीथिंग इन द फास्टिंग पीरियड.
Okay.
The vegetable juice and all that, consider that your first meal. I mean the first thing which you have, not meal, first thing which
that
you
also is almost 14 hours. That also is after 14 hours. So
after 14 hours. Good.
Yeah.
If you'll try to increase it, so personally speaking, देखिए मैं सॉरी अगर मैं ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ तो मैं I've been into this sports, थोड़ा बॉडी बिल्डिंग और ये सब करके, तो मेरी आदत थी हर 2-3 घंटे में खाने की. तो टिपिकली जैसे बोलते हैं कि आप खाइए every 2-3 hours, but the day I have started this fasting and all, you know, that's amazing. आपकी मैं बोलूंगा कि स्पिरिचुअल और वो भी कनेक्टेड है कहीं ना कहीं से. प्राची विल करेक्ट मी इफ आई गो रॉन्ग समवेयर. तो अगर हम ये फास्टिंग करते हैं ना और दिन में कम खाते हैं तो हम स्पिरिचुअली भी ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं.
Absolutely. Yes.
So these are connected things. तो जितना आपसे हो पा रहा है आप उतना कीजिए. At least you are doing it. That's wonderful. That's better than, you know.
Sure.
And apart from that, Pratima ji, everything good? You're on track with your affirmation, your
Yeah, perfect. Everything going. That's what I said. When I commit, I'm 100% to it. So there is no going back on anything. That everything good.
And about your dreams for your NGO kind of thing that you wanted, have you brought down the dream in your goals and tasks according to what has been written in the book?
The manifestation वो नहीं हो पा रहा morning में because you know my puja and this that
Not manifestation. I'm talking about the book that we are reading.
हाँ, that yeah, that
You're implementing them. You've broken it down.
yeah. That I'm doing religiously.
Nice.
But it will manifest. The dreams will manifest.
When you have the right intention for it, anything with the right intention manifests.
Yeah, it's wonderful. And I must share one thing. This Vedant, what you were talking about, I was just talking to my nephew, my sister's son. They have got. He's a architect. So they have, along with few people, with Madhya Pradesh government, they have made a tie-up. For Adi Sankaracharya ka, they are making a statue like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Right.
And there they are having a full library of Vedanta.
Beautiful.
You know, where it will be like everything connected with Vedanta will be there. So, I mean, it's nowhere there in India, you know, like first time I heard this. So it would be wonderful, you know. You said,
a Vedic village or a global community is something that we really need. Of course, it's there. I mean, it's spread out, but we don't have a place for it. So wonderful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Madhya Pradesh government has taken up this project. You know, they are.
I'm so happy to hear because Vedanta is the base for all the books that we are reading.
Absolutely.
But it's written in Sanskrit and Pali, even Buddhist may be here. So translation is not so good, which is why it's not reaching a layman. So if something can be done for it, it's one of my intentions to get Vedanta in a grassroots level. And you know, I've been teaching these English authored books. Gradually, I want to start reading the Vedanta because that is a beautiful spiritual world.
Yeah, absolutely. That will change lives. Absolutely.
Even these change lives, but ultimately want to come back to our foundation.
Yeah, the spiritual part.
Just that all these books are spiritual, but they are so beautifully written in English, simple English. So any person can read. Vedanta is not that simple English. So you need to think. You need a teacher for this. These self-reading books hai. So Vedanta should become a self-study book. That will be the, you know.
That we are seeing in your university. Definitely come up.
Great. So thank you, everyone. I think we're done with the questions and reflections. Let's meet again. Next Sunday, 7 o'clock, we begin Unified. So I would request everyone to join for that.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
You.